What's up, guys? I'm Brittany Stewart, and today we're going to be playing Super Mario Kart for the SNES. Alright, so let's play as Princess Peach. Awesome. Alright. I'll use Toad a lot too, but today I'm just going to be a princess. Alright, well, let's go. First off, I would like to apologize if my gameplay is absolutely terrible. I'm not trying to say that I'm great when I use a GameCube controller or even a Wii remote, because definitely that would be a lie. But the computer controls are absolutely awful. All you use are the left and right arrow keys and press X to accelerate. And the response time is just really bad. Trying to maneuver banked curves with a left and right arrow key is not ideal. So this is Mario Kart for the SNES, Super Mario Kart. It was released in 1992 and was designed by Shigeru Miyamoto. It was the first Mario Kart in the series, and since then there has been a Mario Kart game designed for every Nintendo system since the SNES. Okay, so I just want to point out, I do not understand the point of a coin as an item. There are coins on the track. You can get coins if you bump into other players. Why do I need to waste an item on a coin? I have never understood that. I understand, I know that it's like an equalizer, but really, come on, guys. So my very first experience with a Mario Kart game was actually on my aunt and uncle's GameCube when I was about six or 7 years old. And I really did not understand how to play. I just thought it was fun. I didn't know any of the characters. I think that was actually my very first experience with a Mario game in general. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I lost every single time and most likely ranked out of every game, so I only played one track. But I still enjoyed it. And then when Mario Kart Wii was released, my brother and I pre-ordered it from Best Buy and then spent pretty much an entire summer playing, trying to unlock characters and different stages. And that was actually a really fun memory that I will pretty much always have, because that entire summer was all Mario Kart all the time. So one thing I do like more about the Super Mario Kart than any of the later versions is how I know that it's really just like a graphics kind of limitation, but how the coins and the items are actually on the ground, not above or floating at all, because then you sort of just roll right over them instead of having to maneuver your cart into them. And the items, you're only allowed to really get one, so even if you roll over another one, it doesn't go away. So there's more opportunity for everybody to get an item. No! I just realized I was hitting 0 and not right, so that's probably my problem. No! Okay, I've literally never landed in that pond in my entire life. That was kind of terrible. Honestly, didn't even know that was a possibility. Gotcha. I also apologize for my stuffy nose. I am fighting a cold right now. So I am very sorry for whoever has to watch my video and hear that. Oh, went from second to fourth in less than half a second. That was sad. Oh, there I go again, pressing control instead of left. Y'all, this is not going well. It's alright. At least we're having fun, right? Don't break out. Yes! Yes! Alright. Okay, y'all, well, I hope that you enjoyed this Let's Play of Super Mario Kart for the SNES system. See you later.